Hey guys, Phantom Z10X18 here with another video, and today I got another toy review of the Ultra Hero series, Jambot. I think that's his name. Anyways, yeah, before we take a look at this figure, let's take a look at the tag he came with. Now, here's his tag. As you can see here, there's a nice image there of Gen 9, or Jambot. And I'm pretty sure that's his name in Japanese. Bio, logo, Ultraman logo, Ultra Hero series logo. And there's nothing as always. And on the back there's some more Japanese stuff. Yeah, okay, that's it. So yeah, guys, I got this figure from Hobby Lake Japan, and yeah. So yeah, let's take a look at the detailings, the details he did. And we'll just put down the camera. So yeah, let's take a look at details up close. As you can see, they put a lot of nicely. Hang on. Alright, let's take a look at that close. Sorry if you cannot see the details properly. As you can see, they put a lot of nice details on him. As you can see, they put a lot of nice details on it. Jeez. And as you can see, the arms have detailings too. Mine has a little paint bleed on this side, but oh well. And I almost wanted to drop him again. So yeah, they put a lot of nice details to him. And as you can see, the back is not painted as well, fortunately. But that's a common issue with these figures. So yeah, nice detailing overall. Paintwork could use a little more, but hey, that's a common issue. So now, articulation wise, the arms can do a full 360. And the arms can do a full 360, yeah, I already said that. Just gonna demonstrate that. And the weird waist joint again. You can do a 360 as well. So yeah. Now, yeah, articulation wise, really good. Paint wise, decent. So, but the sculpting is really nice. So yeah. Now let's do some size comparisons here. And hold on. There you go. Alright. Now here he is next to Ultra Monster Series Arch video, which I did a review on, which you should check it out. Here he is next to the Ultra Monster Series, this Stratos, which I did a review on previously, which you should check it out. Here he is next to the Ultra Monster Series Hell Barrows. So yeah. And for other comparisons, here he is next to the Studio Series Deluxe Class Leadfoot, since they're both like, you know, red and white. Here he is next to the Godzilla vs. Kong Godzilla. Here he is next to the Lightning Collection Lord Dracon. Here he is next. Alright, that's enough of the comparisons. One more. Here you go. Sevenger, since there are two mechas. So yeah. And now let's get the team in. Let's get the team. Ultraman Zero. Mirror Knight. Glen Fire. And Gen Killer. JK, Gen Bot. I mean, Gen 9. Oh, wow. Wow, I can't even get the names of these guys right. They all look really nice together. Now I have a complete Ultimato Force Zero team in Spark Doll size. I'm so glad. I'm really glad I picked these two up back in 2017. Because, you know, I like these guys. I like all of them. I did get a Gen Bot figure. But the thing is, he was so tall and I picked up the wrong one from Amazon. But, hang on, let me get him. Here's the other figure I got of Gen Bot. I mean, yeah. So yeah, this is him. I was kind of okay with it at that time. But ever since I saw this figure on Hobby Link Japan, I have to get him. Because I want an accurate scale of Gen Bot in my Spark Doll collection. Man, I'm gonna give this away to a friend of mine. So yeah guys, that's the comparison there. Really nice. So yeah guys, that was my review of the Ultra Hero series Gen Bot. Now I really like this figure overall because I really have a good you know, Gen Bot figure and accurate in scale with my Spark Dolls and stuff like that. So yeah, he is decent overall. The paintwork could be a little bit better, but at the end of the day, he's a decent figure for your collection or for your Spark Doll collection. What I mean. So yeah. Anyways guys, I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Be sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well. All of that will be linked down below. And yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.